How to check deleted messages on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Snapchat application. Here, make sure you are logged into your account. After you're logged into your account, tap on your profile at the top left corner of the screen. As you do that, select on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now scroll down and here you can see the option of My Data at the very end over here. So tap on My Data. Now as you tap on My Data, you'll be able to see different options that pop up over here that you would can recover over here. So you just have to select the data that you'd want to include to download. So just toggle on these options of chat media, chat history, and after you do that, just tap on Next. And here you have to select the specific date range from where you'd want to get the data from, and after doing that, tap on Submit again, and here you just have to confirm your email address where you can receive the data, and then tap on Submit, and you can check all the deleted messages on Snapchat over in that data as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.